everybody, and happy Easter to those of you all who celebrate. I just wanted to come and do a quick unboxing of this super cute Easter egg that GLOSSYBOX sent over to me. By the time mine arrived to my doorstep, it was already sold out, but I still wanted to share what was in here. That way you all can get an idea of what's in future Glossy boxes if you all are interested in subscribing. Look at this. We have the Bumble and Bumble Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry, a Pearl Brightening Mask, a Conditioning Peptide Mascara from Grande Cosmetics, a cleanser from Bioderma, a moisturizer from Wander Beauty, an Elements Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask, and hand cream from Mademoiselle Provence. So there's some good stuff in this Easter egg. There's about $120 worth of products in here. But like I said, even though this one is sold out, you can sign up to get your first Glossy box for $16 using my link down below. And then when you sign up for Glossy box, you won't miss out on things like this egg in the future. Smooches. Bye.